Hey team, in this quick video I want to introduce you to Quick Test, one of the nicest functionality with Salesforce. And Quick Text basically it allows you to save your time with automated or maybe predefined messages, right? And Quick Text comes with the following orgs listed above: developer, performance, enterprise, essentials, right? On my org, I'm actually using Trailhead free org, which you can actually use and see the functionality here too, right? So in order to use that quick text, you need to make sure you enable it under setup, and you go to quick find, search for quick text settings. You make sure you activate it here. So previously what happened, it didn't really activate for me, but in order to activate you have to refresh it a couple times because it takes some time for org to enable it. Now once you enabled it, you can actually define quick text, and you should be able to define it right here. I already defined my quick text right here, which is called test quick test, but you can actually create new one from here. You will have the name, let's say test 2 quick text, and here you will leave your message, and let's say the message will be, you also can actually grab fields and insert in here too. Let's insert account name and say needs to add 2 additional bags of potatoes. I don't know why I'm mentioning potatoes, it's just something came to my mind. You also can show the category the quick text will be available under, and here it will be, you also want to show what channel it's available. I want to make sure it's available everywhere. Drag everything to my selected and make sure I activate it and save it. Now we have quick text defined. So if we go back to opportunities and enter any of the opportunities, in this case Edge SLA, so I made sure it should be available in chatter, login call, or define an email. Under the email you can see it right here. You insert here, and the one that we defined recently, right, test 2 quick text, you define it, it automatically grab the name of the account and my previous message of quick text, which is here. So it's basically saved your time, right? Which is a cool thing. Somewhere else you can actually see it in log a call. There is a little button appears in the top right section. You click that, you select it, and hop, it's available under comments now. Cool, and you go ahead and save it. It should be available also in chatter. I don't know why not. It's not appearing. I probably have to go and define it. But yeah, you guys get to see the functionality of quick text. Hopefully it's available or helpful for you. You also can modify and add folders for quick text, and I will also attach documentation of things you will probably need to consider when you define your quick text, as well as strategies and considerations.